Hello everyone, today, I will show you what prefixes and suffixes are, and how different they are from each other. What is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Examples of prefixes. Prefix. Un. Meaning. Not. Example. Unhappy. Meaning of the word. Not happy. Sentence. He was unhappy after the result. Prefix. Re. Meaning. Again. Example. Rewrite. Meaning of the word. Write again. Now, let me show you, what is a suffix? A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word to change its meaning or word class. Examples of suffixes. Suffix. Ness. Meaning. State, quality. Example. Kindness. Meaning of the word. Quality of being kind. Sentence. Her kindness helped everyone. Suffix. Full. Meaning. Full of. Example. Beautiful. Meaning of the word. Full of beauty. Sentence. The garden is beautiful. Easy difference. Prefix. Added before the word. Suffix. Added after the word. I hope you find this video informative and interesting. Keep watching for more of my videos.